Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in computer class. In today's class, we are going to start our MS Outlook. Okay, so you have to open or install the MS Outlook on your computer. So first of all, you have to go to the MS Office and then find out the MS Outlook. Okay, and the first interface of MS Outlook will look like this, and this is your Simply Outlook. And we have already discussed in the class what about the mail and calendars, what are the views that click on the calendars and you can shift on the views. The first one is day 1 week, then the week 1 views, and then the month wise view. Okay, and these are the tables and the view available in your MS Outlook. Okay, I hope you got my point about the views and in calendar. Okay, so let me go to the mail and just simply the first interface. Okay, so in this video or this class we are going to talk about how to create appointments, schedule appointment, categorize appointments. These are the basic different tasks that are available to do with the appointments. Okay, so how you can do that? Just go for the simply file option. Okay, let's I'm just zooming out. You can find out that this one, the file one option. Okay, go to this file one option. Okay, so I'm clicking on that, go to the new one option and then go for the appointment. Okay, I'm again zooming in that, this one, appointment option. Okay, I'm going for the appointment option, the new one, and go for the appointment. Click on the appointment and this is the interface of your appointment. Just maximize it, and this is the subject of your appointment. Okay, so I'm just giving it class and location. It's just like XYZ place, anything place. Okay, so I'm creating the appointment, a time, and also all day event. So this is your notes, to keep it up in the notes. जो भी आप notes यहाँ पे लिखना चाहते हो आप लिख सकते हो, regarding your meetings point of view, regarding your class point of view, anything you wrote about the meeting, you can give it the. This is your appointment scheduling time, and this is the start time of your appointments, that is on the same date, and the end time of appointments, and then go for the timing. Okay, start from 10 o'clock to 10:30. Okay, you can select it by yourself. Okay, so this is your simply appointment creating. Okay, and the next one is nearby option है वो आपका है scheduling an appointment. Okay, if you click on that, you can schedule your existing appointment to another day, which means that you can change the location and the timing of your appointment at any time. Okay, so scheduling an appointment, this is the most basic and the most important feature of your appointment feature. Okay, appointment categorize. So next one is show as busy. Okay, so this one is just like your appointment categorize, which means that you can show that this one meeting is regarding the busy scheduling, and you can see that as a show. Okay, reminder, which means that आपको कितने टाइम बाद उसका रिमाइंडर आना चाहिए, that you can choose it again your occurrence. उसके बाद रिकरेंस मीन्स ये जो मीटिंग है आपकी कितने टाइम पे होती है, मतलब ये आपकी वीकली मीटिंग हो रही है या आपकी मंथली मीटिंग हो रही है इसी डेट को, तो वो आपका रिकरेंस हो जाएगा कि आपकी वो रिकरेंस कितनी बार हो रही है. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, दिस विल ask you this is a weekly meeting, monthly meeting, or a daily meeting. Okay, you can set it also by choosing this one. Okay, and time zone, you can select the time zone, which means that if you have a business in a broader way or in an international way, you can select the categorize and the time zones of the countries. Okay, and from that country to your country, this will remind you by the exact meeting time on that country, and you are also in your country. Okay, and the next one is categorize means the importance of meeting. Okay, if you choose the blue category, this means that you can attend the meeting or you can miss the meeting. Okay, if this one's green, this is the informal meeting. Okay, you can or cannot. Okay, it depends upon your mood. Okay, and the most important one, the red category means you can't miss that appointment, you have to attend the particular appointment or meeting. Okay, and the yellow category means yes, this is one important, if you miss this, don't worry, you can fill out again, but you have to attend the meeting. Okay, so these are basically the categorize. If I place the red marker here, so this will show as a red marker. Okay, so this one is red category, and this is a very important meeting from my business prospectus view. Okay, so if you want to, it will create a private meeting, you can mark them as a private meeting, which means that you can choose 2 peoples or more than 2 peoples that will behind that particular private room. Okay, सो आप इसको चूज कर सकते हो कि आप इसको कैसे रखना चाहते हो। उसके बाद हाई इंपॉर्टेंस, मतलब क्या है कि रेड मार्कर के साथ हाई इंपॉर्टेंस भी है इसका, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये आपको रिमाइंडर जो है इसके कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, कि आपको रिमाइंडर वो बार बार देगा अगर आप उस रिमाइंडर को निगलेक्ट नहीं कर रहे। तो इसका मीन क्या है कि आप उस रिमाइंडर को बंद नहीं कर रहे, तो वो आपको बार बार रिमाइंडर देगा। लो इंपॉर्टेंस है तो इसका मतलब है आप रेड मार्कर के साथ लो इंपॉर्टेंस रख सकते हो कि हाँ आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है। ओके, जैसे एक सपोज एक डिपार्टमेंट की मीटिंग है एंड उस डिपार्टमेंट से हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट होता है उसको प्रेजेंट होना ही वहाँ पे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो आप एक एज ए एम्प्लॉयर हो और एज ए हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट के नीचे काम करने वाले, तो आप उसको लो इंपॉर्टेंस सेट कर सकते हो। ओके, दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर चॉइस। Okay, so that is the simply meeting. Okay, and if you want to choose and save and close, this will create your first meeting and appointment. Okay, so if I'm going to save and close, and this will my meeting. Okay, and this will as a snooze, showing a snooze or dismiss. Okay, so I will just snooze 5 minutes after, so this will give me a reminder and go back to it. Okay, so if I am going to schedule any meeting, so how I can schedule, which means that how can I change my meeting of time. So go from that scheduling a meeting, and this will schedule your meeting, which means that you can daily schedule your meeting, and also you can select the timing according to your need. Okay, if you want कि मंडे को ये मीटिंग इतने बजे होनी चाहिए, ट्यूसडे को ये इतने बजे होनी चाहिए, तो you can select on that. रिकरेंस का मीनिंग है कि आप उसको मीटिंग को वही टाइम पे सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो और वही डे पे सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, विच मीन्स दैट कि आप वीकली सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, डेली सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग पे। शेड्यूलिंग का मीन्स है कि आप उसकी टाइमिंग को चेंज कर सकते हो, आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग टू अनदर शेड्यूल फिक्स कर सकते हो। दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू एंड यू कैन मैनिपुलेट दोज अकॉर्डिंग द मैनिपुलेशंस ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट। ओके, and that's all about the scheduling and appointment. You can select any one of the options here, and very important, the topics are from there: the categorize appointment and the recurrence of honor. So this one is most probably the question will occur from the CBSE side, the create and describe the steps for categorize an appointment. Okay, so that's the basic question about the categorize appointments. And also you can see that if it will ask you to write a steps how to create a new appointment in MS Outlook. Okay, so these are the basic steps or basic questions that can be asked you in the question paper. Okay, so I hope you got the point about how to create a meeting, how to schedule a meeting, how to categorize a meeting, how to select the time zones also. Okay, and you can select the time zones here. Okay, these are the time zones all available here, and you can select on that. Okay, that totally depends. You can note sticky notes here, you can present the sticky notes here. Okay, recurrence, you can select the recurrence, how it will recurrence in the same timing or the same day or the any end date. That's totally fine, depends upon you. Okay, and calendar, you can mark the calendar also. Okay, that totally depends upon you. So these are the basic steps and basic points how to create an appointment. Just save and close it. Okay, so I close it. So how to create it, just go to the file option, then go for the new option, and then go to the appointment. Okay, and you can create your new appointment. Okay, that's all. So I'm closing it, minimize it and closing it. Okay, so that's all for today video. Okay, this one is a very short video and very briefing video about how to creating an appointment, how to categorize and all the appointments, meeting and conduct. Okay, and also I explain you calendar views type. Okay, and you can select the go for the calendar and then go for the week view and month view. Okay, you can select any sticky notes here. Okay, you can set the reminder, create an appointment directly from the calendar side. That totally depends. Okay, so I hope you got the point about how to create appointments and how to delay and schedule the appointment. Okay, so thank you for today.